Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get into the world of electric bikes without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at the best cheap electric bikes that offer great performance, solid range, and everyday convenience, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're commuting, cruising around town, or just want a fun way to get around, these budget-friendly e-bikes pack a serious punch for the price. All the product links are in the description below. So let's get rolling and find the perfect affordable electric bike for you.
Number 5 Propella 7S. Creating an excellent e-bike on a generous budget is one thing, but crafting an exceptional e-bike at an affordable price is a feat in itself. Our in-depth Propella 7S review reveals that this e-bike accomplishes just that, offering an outstanding riding experience without breaking the bank. While it may lack some high-end features, the Propella 7S proves that you don't need the fanciest components to have fun on two wheels. One of the standout features of the Propella 7S is its impressive lightweight design, weighing in at just 37 pounds. This weight advantage makes it a breeze to ride the bike even without the motor assistance. Number for Juiced Ripracer. In a world where electric bikes are often discussed in terms of micromobility and sustainability, the Juiced Ripracer breaks the mold by focusing on one simple concept: fun. The Ripracer boasts an upgraded G to 52-volt battery SGS certified to UL 2271 and a robust 750-watt motor. With this powerhouse combination, you'll experience an abundance of torque and power, allowing you to conquer hills with ease and dominate the road. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline rush or a smooth ride, the Ripracer has you covered. Premium features for an exceptional ride. Juiced Bikes has equipped the Ripracer with premium features that enhance your riding experience. Hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, ensuring safety and control during your adventures. Cadence Pedal Assist technology offers seamless assistance, making your rides more enjoyable and efficient. The integrated brake light adds an extra layer of safety, keeping you visible to others on the road. Plus, the adjustable height seat ensures comfort for riders ranging from 5 feet to 6'3", making it a size-inclusive choice to exciting class options. Number 3 Ride OneUp Roadster V2. In a world where electric bikes often scream their electrified nature, the Ride OneUp Roadster V2 quietly stands out as an e-bike that seamlessly blends into the crowd while delivering impressive performance. The Ride OneUp Roadster V2 may look like a standard commuter bike, but don't be fooled by appearances. It boasts a concealed battery and a discrete motor, making it ideal for riders who prefer a low-key e-bike. This electric bike features a single-speed belt drive, internal Samsung cells for the battery, a compact LCD display, and a sleek alloy frame. It excels on flat surfaces and urban streets, offering a clean and enjoyable ride, the perfect blend of form and function. One of the most challenging aspects of e-bike design is striking the right balance between looking like a traditional bicycle and offering robust electric assistance. The Roadster V2 achieves this balance admirably. It maintains the appearance of a regular commuter bike while delivering ample motor power and battery life. This e-bike is not only visually appealing, but also functional and practical. Affordability without compromise. Affordability is often a key concern for potential e-bike buyers. The Roadster V2, however, manages to offer a budget-friendly option without skimping on quality or performance. While it lacks some high-end features found in more expensive e-bikes, it compensates with its affordability and reliability, shipping, trial period, and warranty. Number 2 Aventon Sulttera 2. Are you ready to revolutionize your biking experience? Look no further than the Aventon Sulttera 2. This review delves into the incredible features of this high-tech electric bike, designed to make your daily commute and long rides a breeze. Responsive handling for unparalleled control. The Aventon Sulttera empowers you to conquer the road with its responsive handling and high-tech componentry. The intuitive torque sensor detects your pedaling effort and amplifies it seamlessly, offering just the right amount of assistance. Whether you're embarking on a long journey or navigating city streets, this bike ensures a smooth ride tailored to your needs. Lightweight and aerodynamic design, the Sulttera boasts a lightweight and aerodynamic frame, enhancing your biking experience. Effortlessly glide on flat roads, conquer challenging hills, and carry the bike upstairs with ease. The combination of design and technology makes this electric bike a true game-changer for urban commuters. Safety and confidence with built-in turn signals. Safety is paramount, and the Sulttera prioritizes it. Integrated turn signals are a standout feature, ensuring clear communication with motorists and pedestrians, day or night. Riding in the bike lane or beyond, you can confidently navigate traffic, knowing your intentions are well displayed. Impressive range for extended adventures. With up to 46 miles of range on a single charge, the Sulttera transforms your ride into the destination. No more constant battery level checks or limitations. Number 1 Ride OneUp Therese. In the world of electric bikes, the Ride OneUp Therese stands out as an exceptional option that combines comfort, power, and versatility. The Therese is classified as a Class 3 electric bike, offering pedal assist up to an impressive 28 miles per hour and a throttle mode that reaches 20 miles per hour. Its heart is a robust 750 West geared hub motor, delivering a torque of 60 Nm. This power ensures that you can tackle a variety of terrains and enjoy exhilarating rides. Impressive range and sturdy frame. With a range of 25 to 45 miles, the Therese adapts to your riding style, weight, and terrain. Its lightweight alloy frame conceals and secures the internal electronics, ensuring durability and protection. You'll experience a comfortable ride that's ideal for long journeys. Frame options for a perfect fit. The Therese offers two frame designs, step over and step through. The step-through design is tailored for shorter riders, making it easier to mount and dismount. Both designs prioritize an upright riding position for enhanced comfort during your rides. Convenient battery integration and key system. The removable battery seamlessly integrates into the bike's down tube, eliminating the need for battery removal during charging. Ride OneUp goes the extra mile by providing two keys, ensuring you won't be stranded if one is misplaced. Powerful motor and versatile drivetrain. The Therese features a rear hub motor with 750 watts of power, complemented by a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain.